We got the 6-month-old black lab male here, and we got a teal duck dummy. I'm gonna work him on that, just show you what he can do. Sit. Hup, 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 hup. Heel up. Good boy, heel. Heel. Good drop, sit. Good. Up, 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 up. Oh, hit a tree. Heel up. Good boy. Good boy, heel. Drop. Sit. Good. Try one more time to get a long one in there. Up, 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 up. Good boy, heel. Attaboy, good. Good. Drop. Sit. Good. I'm gonna get the real duck in here now and do a little real duck with him. Sit. Up, 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 up. Good boy, here. Attaboy. Good. Drop. Good. Sit. Try it one more time. Up, 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 up. Attaboy. Good. Good boy, heel. Drop. Right to hand. Sit.